Hi guys and welcome to my channel. It's Hila here from Saturday Night Stitch. I am super excited to say that I have qualified on the Burda Teacher Certification course, and combined with my love of sewing with Burdastyle pattern over the last 4 or 5 years or so, I am super excited to start doing tutorials about sewing with Burda. So if you haven't already subscribed, do subscribe because I'll be putting out a Burda related tutorial every single Tuesday. So you want to turn on that notification button so that you can get Burdastyle Teacher Certified tips and tricks on how to sew with Burda. Today's tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to get those pattern sheets out of the middle of the magazine. You don't really need anything fancy. In the 4 or 5 years that I've actually been sewing with Burda, I've never needed to buy anything special for it, even though I do believe that there is I want to call it a destapler, but I'm not sure what it is, but it's a little piece of equipment that helps you to remove staples. Now, given that I only have to do this once or twice a month, I don't feel the need to buy that. I just use my sharp paring knife, which also doubles as a kitchen tool. So I like utility and multi-functionality like that. Okay, so you want to, what I'm doing there is sort of like shifting, opening up those staples, because we want to try and preserve those staples as much as is possible. And that's for 2 reasons. We don't want to rip through the pattern sheets. As you can see, some of the staples go through the middle of the pattern sheets. And also we want to make sure that the instruction sheets will still stay together, because once you lose all of those staples, your pattern sheets will be flying around. So you see there, you just make sure that you pop those staples back down. If you lose one staple, it is fine. That has happened to me 25% of the time. So the next thing is to unfold this gigantic, huge pattern sheet. It will look overwhelming, but don't worry. The subsequent tutorials will walk you through this and you will get to understand how this works. You want to go right ahead and cut through that cutting line so that you separate out the pattern sheets. And again, it can look overwhelming if you're not used to sewing with Burda, but trust me, it will be fine. So remember to stay tuned, subscribe, and like this video if you found it useful. In the next tutorial, I will be showing you how to choose the pattern, and I will also be showing you the different types of tracing methods that are available. Before I sign off, I would really love to know what sort of tutorials you want to see on this channel about sewing with Burdastyle patterns, or indeed sewing pattern magazines. Do let me know in the comments down below, and I will add those to my content calendar. Again, thank you so much for watching until the end. I really appreciate that. And until I see you next time, happy sewing. Bye.